We always forget how difficult things were at the start when we started something new for the first time. And when somebody asks us the question, like, how did you do it? And then we don't always give the right answer because we actually don't remember most of the things. Because it's depending on the forgetting curve and then the difficulty increase, we always forget how difficult it was in the first place. For an example, I have been doing videos for like 6 months right now. And I still remember how difficult it is, but probably after like 2 or 3 years, I'm not going to be able to remember anything or most of the things. So I am just journaling and writing notes so that I am not forgetting what I have done before. And there was something that happened to me today, actually, and I tried to make a short for a new channel that I'm working on. And it's the first time for me making a short. Before, I'm making a video for 3 minutes, and it would take around 2 hours maximum. But now I am making a video which is less than a minute, and it took 6 hours, or actually more than 6 hours. And I was exhausted after I finished that short video. And it told me again that despite that I know a lot about how to make videos on YouTube. I mean, I'm not like an expert, of course, because as you see, I have only 12 subscribers right now. I also realized how difficult it is to make a short, despite the fact that I learned a few things about how to make a video. It is absolutely great. It is wonderful to start something new because when you start something new, you become really happy. You enjoy what you're doing, and it's something awesome. But at the same time, it's really difficult and demanding and sometimes stressful because you don't know where to start. And sometimes, even if you know where to start, you don't know what to do and how to do it. And there's like a billion things that you need to know. But you can reach to a certain level, like an okay level, in a very, very short time. And after you reach that level, it becomes infinitely easier to improve. I don't want you to forget those days when you start learning something. I don't want you to forget this. Embrace those moments and remember them always because they mean something. They show the struggles that you have been through. Thank you for watching and have a great day.